What's good, Vanessa gang? Welcome back to my channel. For new viewers, gonna make sure that thumbs up, subscribe, and be a Vanessa gang. This is the gang, so it's gang about gangs. So today's another attempt of me doing my eyeshadow, doing my makeup. When I normally do my makeup, I do like the basics. I barely put eyeshadow, but I have so many palettes of eyeshadow, and this is not all of them, and I don't even use them. Most of it is because I'm on like PR lists and stuff, but the rest of it I bought it before when I was really into eyeshadows, but I never took the time and actually studied it with blending and stuff. I got a million brushes, so I'm gonna go through it. If you guys watched my last video, you know it was a fail. I thought it was a fail. I didn't really like it, so as much as I don't want to do this because it takes so long and I just hate failing and I hate sucking, I'm just gonna go through with it. Maybe last time it was because I was talking through it, so it made it more complicated. So this time I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna play some music and you guys are gonna watch me do my makeup. Feel free to give me tips and tricks and be a tough critic, you know what I'm saying? Because I need to get better. I need to do better because I can do the basic makeup, so why am I not doing more? I need to go on these beauty trips and stuff. Okay, I could do this if I put my mind to this. I'm a master of this, and I'm gonna master how to do nails because my nails have been really short and ugly recently. So right after this, that's what I'm gonna do. I've been grinding. This quarantine is good for me. All right, let's get started. But before we start, just give it a thumbs up, even though it's probably gonna be trash at the end.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night, then forget each other's names. Oh no, this doesn't have to be a millennial love affair. This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with you. Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what scares you most. What's your favorite song? Do you think we're alone? Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what moves you most. What's your favorite film? Would you quit being alone to be with me? I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. I wanna know everything about you. We don't have to keep it going by tapping screens. We don't have to fit with the trend of pretend. Oh, I'm putting all the real you. Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what scares you most. What's your favorite song? Do you think we're alone? Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what moves you most. What's your favorite film? Would you quit being alone to be with me? I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. I wanna know everything about you. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna miss my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. If you wanna get it on, let's get it on. I don't really wanna waste my life on that. I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone, won't text back, pick up your call. so over faking my life on the internet. Wear no makeup or high heels tonight, I can forget, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone, won't text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up, well I don't really care, 'cause I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning. Sleep, then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party, and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party. Not staying up till morning. Sleep, then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party, and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want.
Woo, okay, I'm back. So far, so good. There's definitely some things that I need to work on. I'll tell you guys about it once I finish with the look and everything, but so far so good. Now I'm just gonna go on to the rest of my makeup, what I would do normally. I washed my face because it was a lot of glitter, so I washed my face and I have moisturizers and oils and stuff so my face is hydrated. Then once I finish my face, then I'll apply the lashes and all that stuff to see what we're really working with at the end. So back to the music.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone once again, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face.
Okay, I'm done. I'm whispering because my daughter's sleeping right on the let me know if the whispering is triggering you. But the eyeshadow definitely needs work. But compared to my last video doing my makeup, it's a lot better. I think when I'm quiet and I'm able to concentrate, it definitely gives me a better output. But if I was far away, I would just look like I'm that bitch. Like I really did that. I mean, this is way better than what I would do when I first started makeup, but still I need work. If there's any like techniques or products that you do that you didn't see me do that you feel like would be better for me, let me know. Okay, let me just talk regular because I feel like whispering is gonna wake her up even more. If you guys do makeup and you guys do like crazy looks that you would want me to try, you guys can send those to me on TikTok or DM. Or drop the link to the look down below, and maybe I can make a video trying my followers makeup tutorials. I think that's fun and it would challenge me, and then you guys will see me suck. Practice makes perfect, right? Also, do you guys prefer me playing music? Obviously that's the only thing I could do now because I'm learning and it's hard to multitask. Let me know if you prefer music and then just watching it. Is that more soothing than hearing somebody talk, or music and then talking periodically? Like, let me know in the comments. Also, like, how do you apply glitter? Like, this is loose glitter and it was really hard to put on without it getting everywhere else, and it was hard to rub off. I only use concealer as my base, so I needed like a glitter glue. Help me out, help your girl out so I could be great and teach everybody else. Let me know if there's anything that you feel like I need in my makeup, that I need to add in my makeup collection, what's a lifesaver and what helped you. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single view. Make sure you give it a thumbs up because that helps me more than you think. I'll see you in my next video.